In this video, we're going to be going over simple breath awareness. So find a comfortable position, either on the mat or on a chair. I'm sitting on a yoga block, and place both your hands on your knees and gently close your eyes. It's up to you. You can keep your eyes open if you'd like. And I just want you to bring your awareness to your breath. You're not manipulating your breath at all in any way. You're just observing how you breathe. Observing how you naturally breathe. Are you breathing in and out through your mouth? Are you breathing in and out through your nose? Are you using both? Bring awareness to your inhales and exhales, taking notice if your inhales are longer than your exhales, or are your exhales longer than your inhales, or are you breathing at a nice steady pace? And bring your awareness to your body as you breathe. Taking notice to what's moving within your body as you inhale and exhale. Be curious about your breath. Observing if your breath is quick or shallow. Observing the quality of your breath. When one breath ends, the next breath begins. Just taking notice. At one point, you may find your mind wandering, and that's completely fine. Just gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Bring it back to the inhales and exhales. Even bringing awareness to how you feel while you're focusing on your breath. Has it slowed down a little bit? Or did it speed up? Just being curious. Just bringing your attention to it. With no judgment. Not trying to figure anything out. Just allowing your body to do what it naturally does with your breath. Not forcing anything. Just allowing it to be. Being present. Being here. Being in the now. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room you're in. Bringing it back to your seat, back to your body. Whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes if they're closed. Thank you so much for joining me with today's practice. And if you're interested in the breath, definitely check out this next video we have